through remembrance of Allah Ta'ala, zikr of Allah. Allah bi zikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. So real peace of heart will be given by Allah Ta'ala when one will be doing good amal, good deeds with iman. And second thing is given, that is the muhabbat, that means mahbubiyat. The people will love him, and whole creation will love that person, one who will follow the commandments of Allah and the way of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And third thing is, which is given in real, in sublime life, that is the barakat of the belongings. Whatever the belongings are, Allah Ta'ala put barakat in all belongings, inshallah. So we will be having a life of barakat. Similarly, izzat, real izzat will be given through deen, through iman and amal. Real izzat, real respect, real honor, real dignified life is given by Allah Ta'ala through iman and amal. So this is only the criteria to get real izzat from Allah Ta'ala. And acceptance of dua. Dua will be accepted by Allah Ta'ala when we will do good amal, good deeds. So the main point is that we have to follow the commandments of Allah and Rasulullah, way of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That is complete deen. Then when this deen will come inshallah in our life, then our life will be successful in this life, in this world, as well as in the life hereafter. For example, there is a company or factory, and that company manufactures a machine or equipment, and that machine has different parts. Many parts are there in the machine. So when any company manufactures this machine, then the company gives two things. One is manual, that means a booklet, and other is engineer. In that manual, in that booklet, there are four things in that booklet. Number one, parts of the machine. Number two, functions of the parts. Number three, method of using that machine, how this machine will be used. Method is given in that booklet. And fourth thing is the safety measures or precautionary measures. These are the four things which are given in the booklet. So a booklet is given with the machine, that is called as manual. And in that manual, the parts of the machine, the functions of the parts, how to use this machine, and what are the precautionary measures or safety measures. These four things are given in that manual. And the second thing is that machine, how this machine will be used. For that, actually the company sends an engineer, and that engineer comes, and that engineer actually install the machine and demonstrate the machine, how this machine will work, how this machine will be used. That is called as demo. So demo means demonstration. These are the two things which are given by the company who has manufactured this machine. Similarly, in the same way, we, that means the human body, that is also like a machine. And as machine has different parts, we also have different parts of body. How we have to use these parts, for these two things have been given by Allah Ta'ala. A manual means the Holy Quran. Holy Quran is a book for guidance of whole mankind. Holy Quran is a guide book, how we have to use our life, how we have to use our parts in this life. So for guidance of whole human beings, whole mankind, Allah Ta'ala revealed this holy book, Quran. And engineer means Allah Ta'ala sent Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And he came in this world and he demonstrated the holy Quran. How we have to follow the commandments of Allah. For that Allah Ta'ala sent Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to demonstrate the ahkam, that means the commandments who are in the holy Quran. The tariqah, that means method to follow that commandment, was demonstrated by Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. For example, the most important command of Allah is namaz. Five times namaz after iman. And this is mandatory for each and every individual. 5 times salat is mandatory for each and every individual. But how we have to offer our salat. So the method of offering salat is not in Holy Quran. In Holy Quran there is only command of Allah Ta'ala, order of Allah Ta'ala. Aqimis salah, yuqimuna salah, only, that's all. But how we have to offer our salat, for that Allah Ta'ala sent Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam offered salat, and she said that you offer salat as you have seen me to offer. As you are seeing, you are watching me how to offer. So you offer salat as I have offered salat. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to demonstrate Holy Quran. So Holy Quran is a theory, and the life of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is practical of Holy Quran. Practical aspect of Holy Quran is life of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How we have to follow the commandments of Allah. So for that Allah Ta'ala sent Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That his life is the life which we have to follow. That is the role model. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the role model, namuna for whole mankind. To offer salat, or not only to offer salat, but to offer all commandments of Allah Ta'ala. So these two things are there, Quran and Sunnat. Sunnat means way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Quran and Sunnah, these are the two things, these are the two criteria to get real success of Akhirah and temporary success of this dunya. So how we will be able to offer, to follow the commandments of Allah Ta'ala? For that actually there is an effort. That means an environment is created. That environment is called as environment of Dawat.